and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be combining two of my most requested videos. I get asked all the time about what's in my purse. I don't know if I did. Oh, I did do one of these a long time ago, but this one is going to be very authentic. I did not clean out my bag at all. I know everyone says that, but you'll see that I literally did not clean out my bag at all. So I'm going to be talking about it, how it's held up, if I think it's worth the money, and then I'm also going to be talking about how I apparently ruined my Pochette Metis. I am not easy on my bags. I'm the kind of person that believes if I'm spending $2,500 like this bag, or I'm not exactly sure of the exact price, it was around there. I got this bag around Christmas time last year, not the one that just passed. So I've had it for over a full year now. Before that, I was using my Speedy, which I absolutely love, but it was really big, so I decided to buy myself a bag. This is the first bag I ever bought myself with my own money, and it was a big deal because this bag is pretty expensive. If I'm spending that much on a bag, I'm going to use the bag. I'm not someone who's really easy on my bags, which I should be. I probably should be a little bit more careful. With the Pochette Metis, I literally stuff this bag. You can fit so much in it. I don't stuff it because I don't have enough room. I stuff it because I like the look of it stuffed more. I like it when it's open and this top part flaps. Right now I have it extra stuffed. I don't usually have it stuffed this much. This is insane. Yesterday I had to put a lot of stuff in it, and I thought, why not show a what's in my bag. So this bag has 3 sections. You can see it on the side. In this front section, I'm gonna do it first. I wish I had like a little stand. Okay, so in this front part here, I'm gonna get like a nice arm workout. I have a bill from Sephora. This is from what I bought yesterday. I have my passport. This is actually my canceled passport because I had to get it renewed. So there's my passport. I went yesterday. I'm gonna put the bag down because it's heavy. I also have my birth certificate. I lost my original birth certificate, so I had to go get a new one. I had to go get my passport done yesterday, so they needed it, so that's why I have that birth certificate. I have another receipt. This one was from the passport office. I have a bunch of random cards in my wallet. So my wallet, I'm actually in the market to get a new one. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram for a Gucci wallet soon, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. I love these card holders. I'm not the type of person that loves huge wallets. Yeah, in here I have my school ID from Miguel. I have my credit card, my debit card, my Opus. This is the bus card. I have my Sephora VIP card. I have my shipping card from the post office for my business. I have a Holt Renfrew card. I have a La Senza card, which I don't know why I got because I never shop at La Senza. I have a Tim Hortons gift card, which I have to use. I love Tim Hortons iced coffee. It's the best. I have a lot of makeup in here. Normally I don't carry this much makeup, so it's a good thing I'm going through it. I have a hair scrunchie in the front part. I don't know. This is not my favorite color, but they're from Urban Outfitters. I have a makeup brush. This actually fell out of my bag yesterday while I was walking into the mall, so that's why it's randomly in there. I have a bunch of candy wrappers from my favorite restaurant, Mako, because I grab like 6 handfuls when I leave because they're just so good. I have my house keys and my gym card, which doesn't get used too often. I have this is an amber oil. Normally I have the vanilla. I have the little connector thing for my earphones to connect them into my phone. I have floss. Look naked, don't I? According to my orthodontist, this is fat floss because I have Invisalign, so, you know, need to floss my teeth. I have a little clip. This held all my papers together for the passport. And I have an actual candy. The first part is empty. If you do get this bag, I just want to say, I'll touch upon this. Don't overstuff it like I did unless you want that look, because it will stretch the canvas. In the middle part is where I always keep my makeup bag because it's the biggest. I am so happy I'm going through this because it's overstuffed. This is my makeup bag. I got it at the Brow Bar in Montreal. I'm not sure of the brand. Oh, I never even took the freaking tag off, guys. It's from the brand Stephanie Johnson. Like I said, I got it at the Brow Bar. They have so many cute colors and sizes. I like this one because it fits literally perfectly with the size of the middle pocket. Like, it's literally the same size, so it fits in perfectly, and it's pretty slim. It's like the same size as the pocket when it's not overstuffed. So we'll do a what's in my makeup bag also, because I keep all of my like favorite products that I might need to use to touch up during the day. So this is my favorite mascara ever. This is from Essence. It's $2 at the drugstore. It's the Get Big Lashes Triple Black Mascara. Oh my god, go pick this up. It's the best mascara you'll ever try, and I tried a lot of mascaras. This is my favorite mascara. Oh, you need this mascara. So good. Calm down. That was a little bit aggressive over mascara. I have a Hoola bronzer, which I don't really need in here. I have my Tom Ford bronzer, which I bring everywhere with me because it's so thin and mini. I have my powder. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder. I love using that to touch up because it doesn't build up. It builds up nicely. It doesn't look cakey. I have NARS Rose Cliff. I don't want that in there. I never use that. I have Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate. This is my favorite nude lipstick of all time. I have a lot of lip glosses because I can't live without lip gloss. I have Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar. This is my favorite gloss. It makes your lips look painted on. Like, it has such a nice finish. It gives you a finish like no other gloss will. It's not sparkly at all, but it's magic. Like, this lip gloss is like nothing you'll ever try. It's so good. I have a lipstick from H&M. This is like my everyday lipstick. It's the perfect color to just throw on without having to think. It's really creamy. It's in color Wellies and Tweed 13D. So the lipsticks from H&M are really good. I really recommend checking them out. Fenty Beauty Gloss in Fenty Glow. This gloss is so good. If you haven't checked this out, you're missing out. You need to check out this gloss. I have Becca Liquid Crystal Topper Gloss. This one I'm going to take out of my makeup bag because I just don't need that many. It's very good also. And then I have the ColourPop Curvy Lip Gloss, which I really do like. I'm going to take it out though because I don't need 500 glosses in my bag. And then the last thing in my makeup bag is I have an eyeshadow brush because you never know when you need to like blend your eyeshadow. I have this lip balm from Tarte in Buff. This is my, oh, I'm almost done. I use that a lot. I use this to just throw it on. It's amazing. I have my favorite lip liner ever. Most of it, like, this has changed my life. Curvy by ColourPop. I have to order like 2 more. I don't want them to ever become discontinued. And then my favorite lipstick from NARS, Belle de Jour. Also in the bottom of this, I have another Belle de Jour, so we're going to take one of them out because I thought I lost it, then I found it. I have this is from when I parked downtown. I have my clear eyebrow gel, which I was actually looking for, so let's just apply a little bit on right now. Oh, this is actually really good. If you guys have points at Sephora, I 100% recommend going to check this out. This is a point perk thing. It is the rose face mask, and you get a really good amount. I got this yesterday, that's why it's in my thing. You get a really good amount. I love this mask. A lot of my friends swear by this mask, so if you have dry skin, go check this out. It's the point perk. I'm going to spend like all my points on this one thing, because I don't collect my points on stupid little like samples that I know I'm never going to use. More candies. I have a Splenda. I have a candy wrapper and a tampon. My car keys. In the back pocket, you guys are gonna laugh at me. Okay, so the first thing I have that just kind of fell back there, this is my 3rd tube of this gloss. 100p by Makeup Forever in their plexiglass. Yeah, I finished 1 tube. I lost another tube that was like almost finished, so this is my 3rd gloss. And you know when you like run out of something or lose something and then you use it again and you're like, oh, why did I ever go without you? Like, you just remember how much you love it. This is what you're gonna laugh at. So yesterday I was at Forever 21 and I didn't want to put my bra back on, and I'm wearing like this, like, this is like a really sexy bra, right? I didn't want to put it back on, so I just threw it in my bag. That's not normally in there. I have this little book that I keep in the back. It's from Michaels, and instead of carrying my entire agenda with me, my like big agenda, which does fit in this bag, I keep this little book with me, and if I have any ideas when I'm out or about, it just like literally sits perfectly in the back of that bag. I have oil blotting sheets in the back. Do you see how much you can fit in this? In the back part, I have a few more things. I don't normally put too much in here. I have a Sweet Spot Coconut Lime On The Go body I got this in a box and I thought I would throw it in my bag. I've never used that though. 2 more business cards, my SPC card that I have to register. This is just a lippy stick from ColourPop in the shade She Bad. I have a little spoolie for my eyelashes from when I get my eyelashes done. Another little thing for my earbuds. I don't even listen to music through earphones. I don't know why I have so many of these. Oh, this is where this went. I was looking for you. My triple spike bracelet in like a champagne color that will be launching soon at CNC. And then $1. A loonie. I have a loonie. Okay, so now the bag is empty. You can see it's a lot thinner, a lot smaller. I'm going to talk a little bit about how apparently I ruined my Pochette Metis. So yesterday I was at Forever 21 and there's a girl in the dressing room. Let's say she was just very expressive, and I have my bag. It wasn't as full as I just looked because I didn't go to Sephora yet. I didn't have my bra in it yet, so it wasn't as full. My bag is a little bit stretched, but it's not like anything crazy. And she looks at me and she's like, "Girl, you ruined your bag." And I was like, "Excuse me?" And she's like, "You ruined your bag." And I was like, "No, I didn't ruin my bag. Like, my bag is completely fine." But according to her, I ruined my bag. The leather on this, like I said, I've had it for about, just over a year now. The leather on it patinaed really nicely when you get it, and it's fresh. The leather is very white. I love the look of fresh leather. I think I'm the only one in the world who loves the look of a fresh, clean, white leather. My sister and my mom, they both like it when it patinas. You can wear the bag holding it like this, which at nighttime, if I'm just having the bag, I will hold it like this. You can hold the bag like this. You can hold the bag like this. But my favorite way to wear it recently is crossbody open. For a long time, I was just wearing it on my shoulder like this, which is also really cute. It's gold plated, and I can see the gold is like tarnishing off. Like, that's the only thing I have to say, which is kind of stupid because when you're paying this much for a bag, it should not be happening. It also happened on my agenda. Like, maybe it's just a fact, but like when you're spending that much on a bag, like, come on. So that's like the only thing. Like I said, I'm not a very gentle person when it comes to a bag, but I don't throw it around. I don't like slam it into doors. I have this bag in a beautiful blush nude leather. Like, it gives me a heart attack thinking about it because last year they had it in pink, which, like, I'm not going to buy this bag in pink, but this year they have it in a, you know, when it's all, I'm not exactly sure what that is called, but it's all, I think it's on pranked leather. I could be completely wrong, but they have it in black. They have it in red. I know Paulina from PB Bunny 97 has it in red. So overall, I 100% recommend this bag. It's my most worn bag. I love it to death. It goes perfectly with all black outfits, beige outfits, whatever outfits. I love this bag. My next bag, I think on my little wish list, which I'm trying to be good at not buy bags, is the little black velvet Gucci Marmont bag, which I need in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this. That's what's in my bag. That's what my thoughts are on my Pochette Metis that I ruined, according to the girl at Forever 21. Let me know what your favorite bag is, your go-to bag, and the bag that you think I should have in my wardrobe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.